Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Living Life in Dallas-Fort Worth. And today we actually want to showcase a custom builder that has so much to offer.
Yes, so we're going to show you the model home behind us, and it is a 5-bedroom, 4 full bath, 2 half bath, and a 3-car garage, and it is absolutely stunning. It has this gorgeous pool behind us and so much more inside. We can't wait to show it to you, so let me tell you a few details about the property, and then we're going to take you inside to take a look. Partners in Buildings homes are situated on the largest home sites in this community, which are just under half an acre. The model home totals about 5,223 square feet, and this floor plan has a U-shaped design. It also has an extended covered patio that opens to the family room and downstairs game room. There's walls of windows that run throughout the home to provide lots of natural light and a view of the beautiful backyard and pool.
Now, if you're looking for everything Dallas, the good, the bad, and everything in between, you've come to the right channel. Now, be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to stay on top of all our videos that we put out on a weekly basis.
In addition to that, if you want immediate notification when we drop a video, just hit that notification button and we will make sure we get it over to you as soon as possible.
Welcome to this stunning custom-built home. Right as you step through the front door, you're greeted by soaring 25-foot ceilings and a breathtaking wall of windows, offering a panoramic view of the pool, outdoor patio, and backyard. Talk about a grand entrance.
Okay, to the left of the front door here, we have the spacious office. It's the perfect place to work from home, with plenty of built-in bookshelves for storage or decoration. And these windows provide lots of natural light.
Now, to the right of the entrance, you'll find the formal dining room. It's so open, keeping the flow of the home seamless, and you still get those beautiful views of the pool and outdoor space. This is perfect for hosting elegant dinners. Now, just off the dining room is this sleek wet bar, complete with a wine refrigerator. It's a great spot to display your favorite beverages and make entertaining a breeze.
And this is the heart of the home. This kitchen is definitely a chef's dream. Look at this massive 10 by 7 foot island. Tons of cabinet space surrounds it, and the island itself has built-in features like a microwave and refrigerator. Super functional. We also have a 6-burner gas range with an oversized vent hood, and these floating shelves add a modern touch. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end Jenn-Air appliances designed for anyone who loves to cook or entertain. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. Come in closer. Look at this leather finished refrigerator. And this breakfast nook is big enough to fit a table for 8. You also have these floor-to-ceiling windows that fill the space with light, giving you another stunning view of that beautiful backyard. This living room is so open and inviting. And you have these beautiful light-colored white plank wood floors that run throughout the home. But here in this living room, the fireplace is definitely a statement piece, with a floor-to-ceiling tile and this large wood mantle. And if you love indoor-outdoor living, these sliders fold all the way back. The sliders seamlessly connect the living room to the outdoor patio and pool area. This home is truly made for entertaining.
And while there are only a couple of lots left in the Windsong Ranch community, Partners in Building will actually build one of these custom plans on your personal land or your personal lot. For additional information, give us a call, send us a text, or shoot us an email. Our contact information is below. Now down this hallway, you'll find a secondary bedroom. This secondary bedroom on the first floor makes for a great in-law suite. Next, we have the game room, which is perfect for hosting friends and family. At a pool table or watch the game on one of 3 TVs, it's an amazing spot for grilling and hanging out. Okay, just here off the game room, you have another set of sliding glass doors that open up and keep that indoor-outdoor vibe going.
Okay, now let's go take a look at the primary bedroom, but first we're gonna stop into the primary bath and show it to you because it is beautiful. The first thing you'll notice when you walk in the primary bath is this beautiful standalone tub and these 25-foot high vaulted ceilings. We've also got double vanities with sconces built into the mirrors and a walk-through shower with drying stations on either side. It's luxury at its finest. Connected to the primary bath is the primary closet, and it is fully decked out by California Closet. It offers custom storage solutions that will keep everything organized. Bedroom is another beautiful space. In the primary, you have the tall ceilings and lots of windows, letting in natural light and giving you that continued view of the pool and that beautiful backyard. We also have this upstairs media room that your family can enjoy. And since this home was built by partners in building, you have the option to extend the media room if you want more space.
One thing that sets Partners in Building apart from other custom builders is they will actually build your pool in parallel with building your home. This makes it extremely convenient for our clients when they move into a turnkey home. For additional information, please do not hesitate to reach out. Our contact information is below.
we really hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the model home today. But before you leave us, we have one more home we want to show you.
Now, before we move on, just remember we receive calls, text, and email every single day from people just like you looking to purchase here in Dallas, Texas. Now, whether it's 9 days or 90 days from now, whether you're moving across the city or across the country, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We would love to hear from you.
All of our contact information is in the description below, so feel free to reach out anytime.
Let's take a look at some of their inventory homes. Now, this one is just under 2.1 million.
It's a little under 4,900 square feet, and it is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath with a 4-car garage. It's also east facing and is absolutely stunning. So let's go in and take a look. We cannot wait for you to see it. This home is luxury living at its finest. As you enter this beautiful home, you will immediately be drawn to the spacious study as well as the elegant formal dining area. The open concept design of this home boasts a well-appointed kitchen with a breakfast area and a large eat-on island, perfect for hosting family and friends. The main level boasts a generous-sized game room and media room. Plenty of space there for you to add all of your comfortable seating and a state-of-the-art equipment system. The luxurious primary suite and 1 secondary bedroom are on the main level, with 3 additional bedrooms upstairs. Step outside and discover a covered patio, which is a perfect spot for enjoying the serene outdoors. You can entertain with ease using the outdoor kitchen. This home is packed with desirable features. A convenient mudroom off the garage with built-in storage offers a designated space for keeping your home tidy. So we really hope you guys enjoyed our video today.
Now remember, whether it's 9 days or 90 days from now, whether you're moving across the city or across the country, we want to make your move exactly what you want it to be.
Until next time.